Hello, my name is Kathryn from Liquid Brain, and I am back with the third now unboxing of the Cloth and Paper Stationery subscription service. And this is a $38 a month subscription service, and this is from November 2018. You might have seen my previous two, which were for September and October. There has been quite a variety of different things in the boxes, so I'm looking forward to unboxing all the stuff that we got in November for you today. As you can see, there's quite a handful coming out, and this is maybe a little bit different because previously it was almost one big ticket item and then a couple of smaller ones, whereas this is a lot more items and they are smaller. So the first up is a 3-pack of these A5 wee folders. There is a clear one, a black one and a white one. These are super handy. I use these for holding kind of planner supplies, and I also have one for my passport and things like that. So always handy to have and useful to have around. One of the more interesting things about Cloth and Paper subscription boxes is that they let you pick a ring binder planner or agenda size, and then sometimes if they are doing kind of inserts like this, it fits your agenda. So I went for personal because I don't have very many personal inserts, and in this box there are 3 personal sized inserts for the planner. As this is November, it is kind of just before Christmas, and they're all kind of gift themed. So the first one was a gift shopping tracker, next one is a thank you tracker, and the last one again is a different gift tracker. So these are things that I probably don't use and won't get much use out of myself, but I know a lot of people who maybe use their planners differently will get use out of them, and I think they are very stylish and kind of on brand for Cloth and Paper. Next we have 2 wee planner cards, and these are about standard postcard size. One is I'm Enough in pink, and one is a matte J'adore card, which is matte black back and front, really stylish, and I do really like that one. And the pink one's nice and motivational as well. Also included were a wee bag of geometric paper clips. These are black and triangular. Again, handy to have, but not something that I would want to get every month in a box. Also included were 2 pads of these kind of plain Post-it notes. Again, we seem to be getting Post-it notes every single box. They are custom printed big Post-it notes. These ones are probably the plainest that we've had so far. They have the kind of margin down the side and just a very faint horizontal line running across them. Handy enough, but again, we're getting kind of pads every week. It can make it quite hard to use them up every month, apologies. This is more interesting for me. This was a kind of messages or I guess secretaries pad that came in this month's box, and it is really good quality cardstock. There's gold foiling, and you've got a kind of place to write your priority of your message, the message itself, and date and time. These are super fountain pen suitable, really nice, really good. And talking of pens, we actually get a pen every month by the looks of it. This is my 3rd pen that I've received. This time it is a rose gold ballpoint pen, and as you can see it's a clicky top. And just doing a wee tester for you as always. And a wee reminder, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it's at Liquid Grain. But if you're into more of the stationery, the books, the art, that's at Liquid Grain Pages. So this was kind of a generic ballpoint pen, although it is a very fine ballpoint pen if you like that. Again, they are good quality sticky post-it notes, the standard you would expect from Bic. And that's it. That is a good wee haul as part of this month's Cloth and Paper stationery subscription box. This is actually the last one that I have received. I like to try lots of different kinds of stationery boxes and stationery subscriptions. So I did a few months of Paper Gang and a taster of Cloth and Paper, and I don't know what to try next, but if you've got any recommendations, let me know. Bye!